Question 41. Consider a frictionless, massless and leak-proof plug blocking a rectangular hole of dimensions 2r into L at the bottom of an open tank as shown in the figure. The head of the plug has the shape of a semi-cylinder of radius r. The tank is filled with a liquid of density ρ up to the tip of the plug. The gravitational acceleration is g. Neglect the effect of atmospheric pressure. The force F required to hold the plug in its position is. So in this question we have been given a stopper which stops the water by flowing out of the hole. So we have to find the force F which will be required to keep it in that position. So what we have to do is we have to just find the vertical force. So the vertical force will be the mass of the liquid in which this hatched region, that is the mass of the liquid which is above the body. So that will be mass will be rho of body rho of the liquid into g rho g into the volume. Now this hatched volume will be 2r, that is 2r is this uh, 2r is this width into length into r. So this is a cuboid minus pi r square by 2 because it is a semicircle into L. This is a cylinder, semi-cylinder. So this will be equal to rho g into L into r square into 2 minus pi by 2. So that will be equal to rho g L r square, 2 taking 2 common, 1 minus pi by 4. So option A is correct.